Welcome to episode 4. Let's say 4. Episode 4. Yep, I fell. Okay. I'm kind of stuffy today, but you know that's alright. Today we're gonna complete Science Fair's quest because I haven't got Riley B because I just never done it before. Yeah, I never done it before. That's great English. I just didn't do it. I don't know why, but I just didn't. I'd rather complete, like, I don't know. I haven't complete that because I'm just lazy. Also, Spider kills. The ability tokens are done. I wasn't actually doing the quest because of the ability tokens because I knew it would suck. Also, this ultimate ant challenge, I just don't want to do. What was that? I just don't want to do the ant challenges right now. So I decided, hey, Christmas is almost up. Beesmas is here. I guess in a couple of days. Let's complete Riley so I can complete this one. So I said, okay. So now we're gonna do that today. And we had to kill Stickbug for some reason. I hope this is not like a long, but like a short quest, because I don't know how many quests I have to do until I get a translator. I'm guessing 30, so I'm guessing this is like the second to final one, hopefully. Hopefully it's not like an extra 10 quest, or I just got one and it just doesn't update or something. Or like every 3 quests you get one, I don't know. I haven't done Science Fair in so long. My conversion rate is out of this world and it's so bad. I convert like 40 to 50,000 per, I don't know, second, per minute. My conversion rate is so bad. When I have like 50 million, it takes me like 10 minutes just to convert all of that. That had enough, but no. This is an average dude that plays Beast Form, but just records it for some reason. I don't know why you guys watch this. My last video had 10 views. And 1 comment, because I begged for comment. I begged for a comment, someone actually commented for some reason. I also have 1 subscriber, so if you're seeing this and it's still there, I have no clue. I think they accidentally subscribed. Like, sometimes when I'm scrolling to, like, YouTube Shorts, I just scroll, and then, like, there's a random, like, channel just pops up in my notification. It's not, like, a recommended channel, it's just, like, you subscribe to this channel, like, when did I subscribe to this? Why is it on my, like, my review feed? Let me check I have my phone right next to me. Like, on your subscriptions, you just see a random dude just like, who is this person? Why did I subscribe to them? Oh, they do YouTube Shorts, I probably accidentally subscribed. It's so stupid. But it does happen for some reason. I don't even know how it happens. You remember when you go to home and then go to like Shorts? And you hear this? Okay. And then you're just going down, and you just accidentally go to the right. It doesn't happen a lot now, but when they put that in, it happened like every 2 videos. When you scroll, and then you accidentally go to the right. They removed that. They fixed that, so that was pretty good. Dang it! Oh my god. That's my water right there. Alright, let's go kill Stickbug. Then this question. And hopefully she tells. That's so many quests I need to complete. Oh my god. Like, I don't understand. Like, how these guys have so much levels. Like, he has one more than me. Dang it. I suck. He also has level 11 bees. It's basically just me, but better. And it's a red hive. Hey, probably macros. Yep. I guess I'm using B. The other one's probably macroing too. It's probably infantry right now. Yeah. He's collecting right now, and he's gonna. Actually, maybe not. Maybe he's not macroing. Whoa, that's a lot of balloons. How many buoyant bees do you have? 8 billion! He's literally out of my. Oh yeah, he's not macroing. Is he? What is that movement? Anyway, I gotta start sick bug. And this guy gets fucked. So I'm just gonna kill him. Oh, he's dead already. I don't even know what I have to do. Tokens. Defense tokens. Oh, defense tokens? Oh, that's when he actually gets. Oh, I might have to choose better people for this. Because, like. Well, the nymph tokens are fine, but. This is guiding them really quick. Where is he always in Pepper Patch? Oh no, pumpkin. Damn, I can't read today. Stop it, I need to complete a science request. Stop taking the tokens. Alright, he's dead. Back to mountain top. That was so bad. Can you place like a totem down, please? Okay. Okay, the music just picked up for some reason. He's gone. Okay. That's fine, that's fine. Oh my god, nice. Oh, he's back. He just die. Hey, I need that, bitch. Okay, bitch. Oh god. He's gone. His mother's probably calling him. What a loser, having a mother. That was a joke. I have a mother. Bro, just die. Yeah, I did a lot. I love being a blue hive. I didn't want to be a red hive. I totally did not want to be a red hive. And just got 3 tadpole bees. Yeah. Fuck red hives. Fuck this one. I love stick bugs. Can you place on my totem, please? Why am I taking damage? Please. Can you stop dragging them away? He's having a party right here. Oh, a totem! Sweet! Oh, that is. You're dead. Bro, can you bees help me with something? Come on. 36. Damn it, I still need a thing. Come on, sick bugs. There you go, that's 500. Let's kill the... You need to place another totem! Please. Please place another one. Please, please place another one. Wait, I'm doing big damage. Place another one. You need the health. I don't know if you can place it. Hey, look at this guy's back. Oh no, that's a different dude. Oh my god. Oh, it's the AFK guy that I killed. Can you please place a totem like on? Yes, yo. I have 38. Dude, can you help me, please? Please, dude. Please, I have 9 seconds. Yes, I'm the best. I'm the best. I'm the best. Damn. I'm the best stick bugger around. Anyone that wants anyone want to invite me to the stick bug grind? You see that I deserve all that reward right there. I'm pretty sure this is the final. Oh my god, you son of a... Okay, that's the end of the video, guys. Sadly, I couldn't complete the thing for some reason. Because I'm not using 10 blue and 10 extracts. That's way too much. Also, defeat 10 werewolves and then defeat a tunnel bear? Yeah, no. What the boost, focus, LED, sunflower, 40 minutes. Who knew this? Raise your hand if you knew. Stupid quest. I completed with beast. This is dumb. Stupid. I want to do stick bug now. I want to get a golden amulet or something. How do I do that? How do I stick bug? Please don't look at my DMs. Oh, you definitely saw something. Okay. Well, that's fun. You know, this video's over, I guess. There's another video that's going to be out today. It's going to be me doing stick bugs. You're welcome.